Today, I want to show you how to use an Analytical list page app to help you with your reports. The Analytical list page serves as a central entry point. From here, you can analyze data from different perspectives, investigate a root cause through a drill down, and act on transactional content. The Monitor Bank Fees app is a good example of an Analytical list page app, so I'll select this tile on my Fiori Launchpad to open the app. In the header area, I can see the available filter options. The visual filter offers 3 different chart types. The line chart is typically used to combine measures like the total fee amount with time series data, in this case, the month. The donut chart is used for non-time related data. Here, I can see the 2 service types with the highest charges displayed in display currency by service type. The amounts are shown in thousands of euros. The service charges for all other service types in the system are aggregated under Other. The bar chart shows the total amount by bank group. In this case, the chart displays the 3 bank groups with the lowest total amounts. Now I select Adapt Filters to customize my filter settings. I'd like to see the total amount by service type, so I go to the filter and change the measure from service charge in display currency to total amount. I'd also like to see the total amount by bank key, so I enable that filter. In addition, I want to view the 3 bank groups with the highest total amounts, so I set the chart to sort in descending order. Then I confirm my settings and save my filter preferences as a variant so I can easily access them the next time I use the app. Easy, isn't it? I want to look more closely at the bank with the highest total amount, so I select that key in the interactive visual filter. My selection is immediately reflected in the chart and table in the content area. The chart and table update on the fly each time I modify my selection. Of course, I can also switch to the traditional compact filter. The bank key I selected earlier in the visual filter is carried forward to the compact filter. In the content area, I can choose how I want my filter selections to be displayed, in a table, in a chart, or in a hybrid view. The hybrid view is displayed by default. I select the predefined view variant by bank, company code, year, and switch to the chart-only view to get a better overview of my data. I'd like to look at my bank fees by month rather than by year, so I open the settings, remove year, and choose month instead. I'd also like to see the service charge in display currency, the tax charge in display currency, and the compensation amount in display currency alongside the total amount, so I select these measures. Because I want to sort my data by total amount, I change the sorting to descending by total amount and then confirm my settings. The breadcrumb above the chart shows my current drill down path and enables me to return to previous views. Hovering over the bars in the chart gives me more detailed information. If I've selected multiple items, I can see a detailed summary. I select the highest total amount and switch to the table view. If the option to only show items selected on the chart is enabled, the table adapts to my selections. I can also disengage this option to see the full view. Now I'll enlarge my table to get a better overview. I can see the amounts for the different types of charges, such as service charges and tax charges, as well as the total fee amount. I drag and drop the service charge column so I can see the service charge, the tax charge, and the total amount side by side. Then I group my table by item type. For this, I define the grouping and hide the item type column. With my table now grouped by item type, I can easily drill down to individual entries. I can also use the smart links in the table to navigate to other apps. Selecting a bank key, for example, opens that item in the Manage Banks app. If I have questions about the available attributes, such as the item type, I can easily get more information by accessing the in-app help. I do this by selecting the question icon in the upper right corner. When I'm done, I simply select the question icon again to close the in-app help. As you can see, the Analytical List page offers different visualization possibilities that I can use to identify important data clusters or significant single instances in just a few steps. And there's much more to discover. Why don't you try it out yourself?